Get a feel for the 2021 Ram 2500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, chrome wheels, four-wheel drive, bed liner, heated mirrors, fog lamps, comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.